Graco has a new innovation that can help lube and service truck fleets better track fluids in the field. I've visited with Graco to learn more about its new Pulse Mobile wirelessly connected and automated fluid tracking system.
Hi, my name is Jake Elmer. I'm with Graco. We have been in business and celebrating our 100-year anniversary this year, where we started off with lubrication equipment, and I'm excited here to talk to you kind of with our most recent development in that area. I'm our category marketing manager for our service and repair vertical team. So responsible for looking after, for example, lube and service trucks, providing lubrication equipment and solutions that match our customers' needs and where they're heading. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about just Pulse Mobile. Very excited to introduce this new product this week. It is the industry's first wirelessly connected and automated fluid tracking solution for lube and service truck fleets. It captures every ounce of fluid that's going out into the field and ties it back to your assets, your work orders, or your service technicians as well. So you have that complete end-to-end accountability and visibility for your operations. What I have here is what we've built as part of this is we have this new ruggedized meter. It's IP69K rated, which allows service technicians to be able to use this out in the field today. A big improvement with this is that it'll help automate their workflows. It eliminates the manual entry that is done today for tracking. So it gets that off of their plate so they don't have to worry about that and can focus on what they do best, servicing and maintaining the equipment out in the field. Along with this too, with this solution is today we have our Pulse Pro workshop solution. So this basically extends what we do in the workshop out into the field. So today, when fluids leave the shop and are on that lube and service truck, you don't have that visibility, you don't see where they're going. So this now allows you to track it from the shop out into the field to make sure that you're reducing any potential billing errors where if it was maybe missed or entered incorrectly, to help improve your revenue and bottom line and reduce the shrinkage and waste. So today I'm going to show you just a little bit about what this is. So with this meter out in the field, you are then able to quickly go, you can enter your service technician, your work ID. That quickly validates it back to the hub, which I'll show you in a minute. In here then, you can then enter your work order. So we'll just say 4, 5, 6, and select that. And so this dispense now, as you dispense this, I have a little meter I can show it dispensing on here after I activate it. As you can see here, it's dispensing. And then once you stop and log that without having to do any entry is now logged and tied back to that work order for that service. So one thing with being out in the field, there's going to be times where you don't have connectivity. With this, to go up, we have our Pulse Cloud. That allows you to see, have visibility of all this data across your whole fleet, in your workshop as well, to have an enterprise view with that. So I'm going to walk over here. As you can see right here with the hub, it uploads over a set period of time. So I'm just going to click it so it'll start logging it there. But with this hub, so we are able to log all dispenses, even in very remote locations. Whether it's at the end of the day or end of the week or whatever that time period might be, once you have connectivity again, it will then push that dispense data up to Pulse Cloud, where you're able to tie it to your work orders, your assets, and that. So the big benefit here is now where before you didn't have that visibility, you couldn't track and control and have that accountability of any fluids. That is now can be part of your business operations today. So once that is there, you come over, you have your Pulse Cloud dashboard. As I said, today there isn't that option where you can see with the work trucks, where you can see your shop. So now you can consolidate all that dispense data, all those work orders, or if you were tracking your assets, into one location. So a refresh here. You can see then from this, you can go to your save reports or your dashboard, that you can see then the amount dispensed there today. So It's very simple to install. You can do it in a very short time period. You take the meters off today, you put your hub on your truck, and you're ready to go. We also offer and have developed our pulse tank level monitors. These are pressure TLMs, which then also give you the ability, if you want, to accurately track all inventory across shop and tanks on your fleet as well for that. So I'm pretty excited about announcing this product, and I think what it can do for fleets and their business operations, improving the workflow, adding that accountability, be able to reduce billing errors and improve revenue, and overall just increase the efficiency of your operations. You can check us out online if you just search for Graco Pulse Mobile to find out more details, or contact a local sales rep or distributor as well if you're interested in learning more.